Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a house. So first, you're going to need to find a ruler or something with a straight edge, like this, and you'll use the bottom of the page to save some room, and you would make a straight line towards the bottom of the page. You want to make it big because houses are usually big. You pretend you want your house really big, so we'll do that. So then we have the base of the house like this, really close to the red line. You can see it at the bottom. So then you have to make the sides of the house. So then you make two sides at the end of the line you just made. Again, you want it to be as straight as possible because houses aren't crooked. So you draw those two lines. You got to make sure they're deep in color so you can see them. Then you go on the other side and draw that one. So boom, you have your two sides like that. As you can see our house starting to form. So then you want to finish off the square at the top and connect the two lines that you had, because the sides should be equal, and this line will help you identify if the house is equal or not. So we'll draw across, and mine is just a little off, so we'll go ahead and connect those. As you can see, we got the big square here. So then we got the two roof. Draw the roof, and it should be like you're drawing a triangle connected to both sides. Get that straight edge and draw. And we should get like this. Next, you want to draw a door, which is just a rectangle, and you want to have it towards the center since most doors are on the center of the house. So you have like this. Then you draw a circle for the doorknob in the right center of the door, as you can see right here. To draw a window, very simple. You draw a square and then split it into four sides. Boom, there's your